Good morning, students. I hope you all are fit and fine. As you know that already we have started our online classes. This is of English subject and second lecture of online classes. Already in the last video I have uploaded about nouns. You know what is noun? Noun is a name of a person, place, animal or a thing. In other sense, we can say that noun is a naming word. Noun किसी भी वस्तु, जगह, जानवर और इंसान के नामों को बोला जाता है. Now, there are different types of noun. In the previous video, I have uploaded about 5 kinds of noun: common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun and material noun. In that video, you have seen about the common noun and proper noun already. Now today we will study about more 3 type of nouns, and the topics of the types of these 3 nouns already I have written here. In the number 1 I have written collective noun. In number 2 I have written abstract noun. In number 3 I have written material noun. These are 3 topics which we will discuss today in our class. Here below this I have written over here definitions. You know what is the meaning of definitions. In number 1 I have written definition of collective noun. Collective noun in Hindi we say समूह वाचक संज्ञा. You know noun we call in Hindi संज्ञा. So here I have written definition. I am going through it. A collective noun is used when referring to a group of people, animals or things. This is the definition of a collective noun. Collective noun means samuhvachak, and what is the meaning of samuh? Means group. And in group we can say that group means more than one. So here we are talking about a particular group of people, animals or thing. Here I have written some few examples in a words. So flock, herd, pack, family, etc. means extra. These are only some common examples of a collective noun. Collective means in other sense you can say collections also. These examples you can place in a fill in the blanks form also. So these words are used for animals, people and things. So this is about the collective noun. Now in number 2 I have written definition of abstract noun. So here is this. An abstract noun is a name for something that is not a physically concrete object but rather an idea, condition, quality or emotion. Abstract noun we say in Hindi भाववाचक संज्ञा. Bhav means what? You know the meaning of bhav. In this noun we cannot see, touch, hear or taste. We can only feel it. Like this shows, abstract noun shows the particular quality, emotions, ideas, conditions. So here are some examples like anger, beauty, confident, death, divorce, dream, education, etc. These are some common examples. There are more examples of abstract nouns. Abstract noun we cannot touch, see, So these are some examples of abstract noun, and here is the definition. In number 3 I have written about a material noun. In Hindi we can say padarthvachak sangya. Definition is here. A material noun are names of metals or substance out of which things are made. Means material noun means it is naturally. Like there are many things, like some examples I have written here: gold, iron, silver. Okay, these are some common examples. Like milk, you can say milk also is a material noun, because milk we get naturally. We can't make milk, but from milk we can make different type of product like curd, ghee, butter, but we can't make milk. So this material noun we get naturally. It is said as a padarthvachak sangya. I think these 3 topics which we have learned about the type of noun you have understood properly. So thank you and have a nice day. Learn it properly. Try to understand with the help of example properly. Now in the next class we will discuss more about another different types of nouns properly. So again I am repeating here 3 types of noun which we have done today. Number 1, it is collective noun. In another sense, in Hindi we say samuhvachak sangya. Abstract noun we say in Hindi abstract noun is said bhavvachak, and in material noun we say padarthvachak. These are the definitions of these 3 nouns: collective noun, abstract noun, material noun, which I have written here definition with the help of example. You can go through it properly. Thank you and have a nice day.